Hello, my name is Samuel Poku, a doctoral student of California Intercontinental University. You are welcome to my presentation on conducting a chi-square test of independence. For this presentation, my agenda includes introduction, three chi-square tests of independence. There will be important takeaways and questions and comments. The chi-square test is a non-parametric test that is used to compare more than two variables for a randomly selected data. The task of the chi-square test is to test the statistical significance of the observed relationship with respect to the expected relationship. The Kramer's V. This is the most common strength test used to test the data when a significant chi-square result has been obtained. Furthermore, researchers often choose significance levels equal to 0.01, 0.05, or 0.10, but any value between 0 and 1 can be used. Stating the hypothesis. The null hypothesis says there is no relationship between the two variables. The alternative hypothesis says there is a relationship between the two variables. The rejection rule is that we reject the null when the P is less than alpha, where alpha is equal to 0.05. If we reject null, then we follow with the Kramer's V. The following are the three variables used in the ensuing chi-square test and their descriptions. The variable num_cars means the number of car payments per month by the participant. The variable num_default is the number of defaults, all types, incurred by the participant. The variable life comfort is the comfort level of the participant with the current financial standing. The following are the three chi-square tests and their outcomes with reference to this week's unit submission. The first chi-square test to be conducted will be between num_cars and num_defaults. The second chi-test to be conducted will be between life comfort and num_cars. The third chi-square test to be conducted will be between the num_cars and life comfort. We now go to the first chi-square test. That's between the num_cars and num_defaults. For that test, the null hypothesis states that there is no relationship between the number of car payments per month by the participant and the number of payment defaults by the participant. The alternate hypothesis states that there is a relationship between the number of car payments per month by the participant and the number of payments defaults by the participant. The chi-square statistic and its p-value were calculated using PSPP, assuming alpha is equal to 0.05. No relationship emerged in this test. So we have the degree of freedom being 9, the n is 150, and the chi-test outcome is 9.70. The p-value is 0.375. We are now showing the chi-square graphical results of the test shown for the test number 1, num_cars and num_defaults. We go to the chi-square test 2 for the life comfort and num_defaults. The null hypothesis in that test indicates that there is no relationship between the comfort level of the participant with the current financial standing and the number of defaults incurred by the participant. The alternate hypothesis states that there is a relationship between the comfort level of the participant with the current financial standing and then the number of defaults incurred by the participant. The chi-square statistic and its p-value were calculated using PSPP, assuming alpha is equal to 0.05. No relationship emerged in this second test also, with the degree of freedom being 9, the n being equal to 150, and the chi-square test outcome being 9.70. The p-value is 0.375. Beg your pardon. We proceed to show the graphical presentation of the chi-square test between the life comfort and num_defaults. Now, the final chi-square test, that's number 3, is between the num_cars and life comfort. In this test, the null hypothesis states that there is no relationship between the number of car payments per month by a participant and the comfort level of the participant with the current financial standing. Alternate hypothesis also states that there is a relationship between the number of defaults incurred by the participant and the comfort level of the participant with the current financial standing. It must be noted that the outcome of this third chi-square testing was very interesting and revealing and quite different. The chi-square statistic and its p-value were calculated using PSP, assuming alpha is equal to 0.05. A relationship emerged, and Cramer's V indicated a perfectly symmetric relationship, with the degree of freedom being 9 and being equal to 150, and the chi-square outcome being 450, with a p-value of 0.000 and the Cramer's V of 1.00. So for the third chi-square test between the number of cars and life comfort, a relationship emerged, and it is quite significant. The following is the outcome of the relationship of the test, the chi-square test for the number of cars and the life comfort. Important takeaways: the chi-square test robustness with respect to distribution of data. Chi-square test provides detailed information. Chi-square facilitates ease of computation. The PSP is a user-friendly statistical tool that can be used to perform chi-square tests, known as crosstab in PSP. The following are the references used for this presentation. At this juncture, I want to find out if there are any questions from my esteemed viewers. If there are any questions or comments, I would like to hear them. Thanks for granting me audience for this presentation. See you another time. Thank you.